Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vinaya Resa Prata from Politeknik Ahli Usaha Perikanan Jakarta. First of all, let me ask you something. What do you think about the term of nationalism? Is it about the struggle of Indonesian people against invaders, or the spirit of youth pledged in 1928, or when our nation got independence from colonization, the Proclamation Day? Yeah, none of that is wrong. In the past, the spirit of nationalism was burning. Our heroes willing to sacrifice their lives, their soul for our nation independence. Various ways were taken, both diplomacy and war. They had contributed for our peaceful lives. Then, what can we do to continue their struggle for our nation better future? Talking about it, today I will give a speech, and the title is National is Me. Just as the earth continues to rotate, time also like that. Your millennial, Z generation, and Alpha generation have undergone life alongside with easiness of technology, have a peaceful life without war and colonization. Although like that, we should keep our spirit of nationalism in our soul and apply it in real life. There are some simple activities which can we apply in real life. First, love made in Indonesia's product. By loving and using Indonesian product indirectly, we can become the endorser of local product and increase the salary of local growth society. It can also increase the level of Indonesian product in international market. No need to be shy about buying the local product because it has good quality too. For example, we can choose Jeko Donuts than Dunkin Donuts. They sell donuts and they also have international standard. Doesn't it better to buy Jeko Donuts which belong to Johnny Andrean, an Indonesian who was born in Singkawang, Kalimantan? Second, part of language and local culture. Many people learn Korean in order can understand when they watching K-dramas. It's normal. When their creation gets in Indonesia, it's normal. When they learn Korean, but why it seems so strange when we see foreigners learn Bahasa? It is caused by our mindset, our point of view. Although you are learning and can speak in a foreign language, don't you ever forget the local language and of course our national language. As much as possible, try to use Bahasa more often in daily conversation, at school, at home, in local society, anywhere you can apply it. Because if not us, who will? Third, make international achievement. By achievement in every sector, in international competition, other countries will consider Indonesia as strong nation and be respected by other countries. For example, our third president, Mr. Habibie, find crack theory which can calculate the rift in the plane's body caused by fatigue. This theory is used by the aviation field in the whole world. Wow, that's great! 4. Practice 5 principles in real life. Not just memorize it, but we must apply it in real life. As a good citizen, it is important to learn, live at and apply the value of 5 principles because it is made by our nation's souls and then arranged by founding fathers. 5. Make creation. The last, the most powerful way to show our nationalism is by making creation. Nowadays, we can increase our level in another country by creation. USA, for example, we can say USA is a big country because we consume their product, we follow their style. According to Panji Pragiwaksono, writer, comedian, and Indonesian artist, there are 3 steps to start in making creation. First, plan and love sense to do something. Second, be smart, because sometimes theory is not suitable for the fact. We must have a smart way. And then the third, can cooperate with others. If we apply this principle, we will be successful in making creation. So, What's the correlation between the title of my speech, National is Me, and then the content which talks about the application of nationalism? Yeah, that's right. If we have nationalism sense in our soul, of course we will applicate it in the real life by doing some ways which I mentioned. The future of our nation depends on what we do today. Do your best now because it will give an impact in your life, your nation, and the future. Okay, that's all from me. I'm sorry if I made many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.